good, eh? You found a spider. Can't really make it up, do they? Hello. You've got a big smile. What's your name, mate?
Jane.
Silver the spider.
Let them go after you, don't kill them.
Come with me again, then. You have to walk all the way backwards, not far.
Should have been this way, probably.
Off to find a bird feeder.
I think they've completed their task now, Derek.
Well done, Peter.
I think there's one, you know, there is a
Tells you what's going on. Should have been a bird feeder to it.
Go, Declan. Shall we have a go here?
Hold on to you while you do that.
Push it through the weed.
Can you do that, Dominic?
Yeah, mind you don't fall
Watch the
in.
back of it.
You've got to go right into the weeds, though.
Wow,
I've already got some.
Have you?
Hello. Oh, yeah.
You put them in the water?
tip it carefully, Dom.
Spiders in there. Those little ones swimming around fast, they're called water boatmen.
Something big there.
Right.
It's a shark.
Let's look up, see what we've got. Have a go.
Pick it up and then I'll help you put
You got a load of fish that first time, didn't you? You were just lucky. Yeah, perhaps
So
try
go.
this bit.
Yeah, right.
No, that's very good, that, for kids to see that. It's the thing with a long tail there, whatever it is.
Anything on there that we might have?
Yeah.
There's a lot of things that look like that.
Water boatmen. They go along the top of the water, don't they? You see them.
They can
and-
dive.
Oh, they can dive. Can they?
Hello, big guy.
He's a water boatman, hello big guy. Let's get here, I think. Is it that one we got? We've also got an allotment. We've got behind the garden and the allotment.
I think those are tadpoles.
And stopped.
Mummy! Mummy! Look at that.
Oh!
Can I get it?
Have a look.
Anna, get a lead.
These ones here that are skating across the top.
They're called the lesser water boatmen, little ones. That's a pond skater, that one.
It's called a pond skater, Dominic.
Yeah, on the top. I have seen some, possibly some freshwater shrimps, and there's little mites, there's little tiny things moving around quite fast. They're probably water mites.
Yeah, we've got that. So.
Oh, look at that. Ta-da! You're on. Yeah.
of them.
Look at that.
We're missing. What are we missing? We cheated on a bird's nest. Because we used the bird box instead. And the bird feeder, we followed them up and it kept disappearing and ran at the pond dip in, so they often get nicked. So, oh, I think you get a prize, Erin.
Here's a nice sticker that you like. That one, okay. There you are.
You point to where you like it.
You want
You can
to put
stick
it
that?
on yourself? Yeah, just there.
There.
Wow.
Well done.
Well done. Do you want to take that with you? Do you want to take that with you?
Yes. Okay, what do you say?
Yes.
Have you got some
Let's see if we can entice some birds into our garden. It's usually quite
Well
tight.
done. Right.
They've been doing many bits preschool.
What's his name?
Duncan.
Well, good for the dog.
Hi, Duncan.
Show the lady.
Don't go to sleep on me.
I've got to drop all my stuff.